Day 3, and the sun's breaking through. Looks like we're going to have clear skies today. Of course, we got 6 or 8 inches of fresh snow on top of all the sleet and everything that we had. But looks like this storm is going to be over. Lots of people don't have power all around the region. Luckily, I do have power here at my house, which is a good thing. I hear some birds in the background. They're enjoying the clear skies this morning, and we've even got some little birdie tracks there up here by the porch. So it's going to be a while before we thaw out of this one. That's for sure.